Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if your Wi-Fi isn't working in your Raptor 5G device. The first thing you have to do is to at first have your phone unlocked. Like this. At first open the settings and now go to the network and internet. Tap internet over here, and now as you can see this is our Wi-Fi network. Tap this gear icon near it, and here you have to tap forget. But before that you can try disabling the Wi-Fi over here. Disable the Wi-Fi and toggle it back again over here. And now your Wi-Fi should work. If it doesn't, you need to tap this gear icon, tap this forget button, and select your Wi-Fi network back again in the Wi-Fi list, and enter the password to your Wi-Fi network back again. I've mistakenly changed one digit, so let me correct it quickly, and now here tap connect. As you can see, we're connected and now your Wi-Fi should be working. If it isn't, you need to restart the router and phone. So hold the finger on your power button, tap restart and restart, and here on your Wi-Fi router do the same. After this process, your internet should be working fine. If it still isn't, you need to go to the software settings and check for the software updates. But let me wait until the phone turns on. We are here, and now we can easily unlock our device. So at first, let's go to the settings over here and scroll down to the system. Once here, tap here the system updates and tap here check for updates. If you do have any updates, update your phone immediately. It's because the bug about the Wi-Fi may be fixed. Apart from that, if it still doesn't work and if you don't have the updates, here you need to tap reset options and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap this over here, this second option. This will reset all the Bluetooth devices, all the Bluetooth settings that you have made, and same with the Wi-Fi, the network, the settings, etc. You need to add your Wi-Fi network back again, and everything should be working fine. If it isn't, you need to contact device support because your device and Wi-Fi module may be broken, and you need a new phone or just a module. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.